Have you seen Seaspiracy and you're worried about the ocean? Well, I'm going to show you how to make a lobster roll, but ours is completely plant-based. If you like the sound of that, then watch on. Do subscribe if you haven't already, because we make amazing plant-based videos almost every single day. And you know what? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. I'm going to introduce you now to hearts of palm. This strange cylindrical object is one heart of palm. This will make a perfect lobster replacement. First step, take your hearts of palm out of the cans they're in, drain them, and then rinse them, because the liquid they've been sat in is not going to taste good. They want to be sliced into roughly 1/2 centimetre slices, but you know, try and be a bit random, and they're going to get squished up when they get in that bowl anyway. Now, just like jackfruit or banana blossom, these hearts of palm are going to take on the flavour that I give them. First off, squeeze in the juice of a lemon, then some Cajun spice, then some olive oil and a good pinch of salt. Stir that all around, and what you'll see is not only will it take on those flavours, but you'll gently break up those hearts of palm as well, making them even more lobster-like. Now we're going to cook it. Pan on, get it hot, add some olive oil, then our lobster. Listen to that sizzle. Stir that round in the pan for about 3 to 5 minutes, breaking it up with a spoon, and cook it until it's gone golden brown and started to char. Now that's softened, I'm going to take it off the heat and leave that to cool down while we make a really fishy dressing. First, add some chipotle mayo. Then we're going to add some more fishy flavours. Lemon juice always goes with fish. Nori cut super fine, and dill, some celery and shallots to add bite, and then mix that all together to make our dressing. Quick taste. Good, fishy. You know what it's missing? Salt. Perfect. Now add our dressing to the hearts of palm that's been chilling in the fridge, and mix everything together. All those wonderful flavors of the sea. This is a delicious, cool lobster roll. It's made entirely from plants. Perfect. Spoon your vegan lobster onto a hot dog bun that's been filled with shredded lettuce. Top with shredded chives. That is a beautiful thing to behold. Proper legitimate when you look at it, but let's see how it tastes. That is a beast of a roll. Whew. This thing has a gentle heat that has really tickled the back of my tongue. Wow. As well as the Cajun spice, in here we've got a real fishy flavour. You've got that nori and you've got the dill combining perfectly with the lemon to create this real fishy experience. This does taste like I'm eating lobster roll. Now, it's been a while since I ate lobster, so you'll have to try it yourself, but I can definitely recommend that you have a crack at this. It was easy and it's tasty. Now, I've got a lot to get through here, so let us know what you thought down in the comments below. Is there something else you would like us to cook? Do subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.